Hello guys, this is my first video.
This is my
on
second
interior
video.
design in 3ds Max 2017.
In this video, I am going to model.
Before start
skirting.
modeling, go to customize
Not
tab
this simple one.
and go to unit
First,
setup.
go to your browser, and
I'm going to search
to
for skirting
use
profile.
millimeters.
I'm
I'm going to use this profile
and
or
millimeters.
this or something. This profile for my interior.
So first create a box. First press the modifier tab.
Shift F for removing safe
6000 mm. Width
Just
5000
make
mm
one plane.
and height 3000 mm.
Go to our image.
Then right click,
Click here.
convert to
Right
add
click.
level poly.
And go to properties
Select face,
and go to
Select
detail.
top,
So you can see
face,
the image dimension.
click on
213.6
detach.
by 116.
give a name, ceiling, and down face, detach. And this is my flooring.
236 by 116.
First change color. So then go to the material browser. Ceiling color, go to diffuse channel,
Green.
and flooring
Click on
color
bitmap.
blue. After that,
And select that profile image.
we are going
Open.
to create a French window.
Click and drag.
So
Apply
select
this
edge.
material on this plane.
Before
And
start modeling,
click on show shaded
I'm
material
going
viewport.
to enable my edge face mode.
We can fix that. Just
First
we want
select
to
this
flip this
edge,
value.
then select this edge. First select this edge and hold control and select another edge.
we don't want length and width segments.
And then go to connect.
press T.
I'm not going to
Press
use
Z,
this
F3
tool.
for
I'm going to
shade.
use these settings. Click on settings.
Fave.
And
After that,
apply two segments. And
click
OK.
on shapes. Select
After that,
line.
select this one edge and
Just
select loop
click.
tool
But before clicking,
and connect.
disable is enable in vendor and enable in viewport. So you
And
are
only
getting
one loop I
just
want.
line.
If you hold
So
shift
click-
on a move tool and
You
drag
can get a
this
straight line.
edge in a Z axis,
If you are not going to hold shift, you get a nice angle line.
so I
Hold
want
shift.
French window.
So your line going to snap in 90-degree angle.
Size,
Hold shift
height
and click
2100
with the left mouse button.
and width 1800.
Shift, click. After that,
means 6 feet. Just
click
select
here.
this.
Hold left click
Press
and
F.
drag your mouse. Hold click and drag your
Select
mouse.
this box.
Hold
room.
click and drag your mouse.
Select what?
Hold click and drag your mouse.
Select these three vertex and
Shift.
move your edge.
Just click here. Again press shift.
Select these three vertex and move to
Click here and
try
don't
to
forget
match
close
that
line.
French window.
After that, I'm going to vertex.
Again select these three
And
dots, three vertex, and
Make
try
a
to
few
match that,
minor changes.
match that door edge.
Make it straight.
Press P.
After
press
that,
Z.
select this point. You have this Bezier handles, so we can adjust
So I want
this nicely.
entry door from this side. So select edge.
Just select
First
this,
edge,
move
control,
up,
hold control.
and
Second edge, hold control.
you
Third
can
edge.
use this Bezier handles.
Click
to
on connect.
Try to match that reference shape.
Increase segment and hit OK.
You can see that.
Make another box.
After that, select this one and try to
Height
adjust this again.
2100 and door width,
Again, adjust this.
in this case length. I'm
try to
giving
match with
1000.
the reference.
So now you can see that I need to
So
view
we have a
this
nice
from left
profile,
side.
so we don't need this image.
So
Just
press
click
L,
here and hold,
Press
select
Z
Z.
for zoom.
So we have a nice profile here.
Just keep
select
this door box in
our
a side.
skirting profile.
After
and
that, click this
select this shape
room.
and right click and isolate.
Go to modify tab. Select vertex.
Press P for perspective.
Select
Z
these
for
three
zoom.
vertex. Select
And
move your
profile. Go to
edge.
modify tab.
Select these three edges.
Disable enable
move your
vendor
edge
and
again.
Disable enable in viewport. After that,
After
apply
that, hit
speed
P on
modifier
your
on
keyboard. So you are going to come in a perspective mode.
Sweep.
Now we don't need this box. So delete
and use
select
custom
and delete this
section.
Select
So
the
click on a
select
click button
box
and select your profile
going to
that you
name this
design from
walls.
from image.
After that, select
So
face.
you have a nice profile, but
Select
it's
this
inverted.
face and select
So simple.
door face. One window face
give him
and
nice
one
angle.
door face. After that, click on extrude. Give it 230 mm.
No angle.
After
sorry.
that, you can delete these faces.
we are going to.
So we have a
mirror
nice
this
interior
XY.
room. So you can see this.
But we want this sharp
But
edge.
if we
in
are
this
go
area.
inside our room and see,
So
we are
disable
watching
this
black
smooth
color
path,
faces.
so we are getting some nice sharp
because
edge
our
in
faces
this
are flipped.
corner.
If I'm
click
going to
and
show you
object
some good
isolation,
example of
select
what is
this
a back face face
wall.
flipping.
Select this
So
cutting
if
profile.
I get
Right
one
click
box,
and isolate again.
right click here
Press
and
T for
convert
top,
to
Z
editable
for
poly
zoom.
and
If I
select
see this
element.
this profile is not
If your
inside
face
our
is
room properly.
light red,
Select this
it
cutting
means
profile.
your
Go
faces
click
are
on line.
not flip. But
Show end result.
if your face is black,
And click on
means
vertex.
your faces are
Select
flipped.
vertex.
And
Zoom.
flip faces are not visible.
And try to
in
match
render.
with the room edge.
So in
Select
this
this.
case, we can render this outer geometry, but if we are go inside the
Zoom in.
geometry and,
And
try
try
to
to
render,
match
we are not getting any result.
With this edge.
So first, select this box.
And go to select mode.
Go to
After
modify
that, press
tab,
P,
select
press
element.
Z, F3
Element
for
help you to select whole object,
shading mode.
but faces
You
will
can
help
see
you
we have
only
some nice
help a select a
profile.
single face. I'm going to
apply
click on
the
this
same
element
on other side
and flip.
just click on
I'm
line.
again select this
Go
floor,
to snap tool.
go to modify tab, select this element and flip.
Right click.
Now I'm going to
Go to
press
modify.
T, press
Click
Z
here
for
and
zoom, T for top,
Put a
Z for
sweep
zoom.
modifier on that.
And after
Sweep.
that, go to camera tab
Use custom profiles.
and I'm going to target
This is my
camera.
profile.
Just on your snapping mode, you can see 3 and magnet, it's snap mode. Shortcut key is S. But before going to shortcuts,
second.
I'm going to right click here and turn on grid snap. I'm off, turn off my vertex snap. So enable my 3D snap toggle. Select the target camera and click and drag to your target. So after that, I'm going to press Alt W.
Accidentally
For camera,
I hide this
I
profile.
can press C or
so you can see we have
I'm going to
our
perspective
profile back.
camera or camera 1. Now we are going to watch our interior scene
Select
with this
this
camera.
shape.
But we can see
Go to
from this
modify.
left side we
Click
are
on
on
sweep.
floor.
Use
Our
a custom
camera is
section
on the floor.
and pick this profile
So
again.
if I select this,
Press F3
like this, so I can't select only a camera.
So you
I'm
can
selecting
see
my
we have
whole
a nice
object.
result.
But if I come here,
We have
and
some
selection
nice results
filter,
with skirting, but
if I
it's
set up
not
camera
inside our room. It's not properly aligned with our room edge.
and select this camera,
So go to line.
click on
Don't forget to
move.
click on show end result. Press
First
T,
snapping
press
mode
Z
off
or zoom.
and move this camera
F3 for wireframe mode.
Z-axis.
Select this vertex.
in this viewport y-axis.
Try to match that.
You can see that clearly.
room edge. Same here. Select this
So I'm going to
vertex
click here camera 1 and select
try to
show
match with
save
that
frames.
room edge. So right click, unhide all.
So you can
Press
see
C for camera.
how is our camera working. But this view is not looks good. So select camera, go to modify tab, and you can see the lens. If I
Make
lens,
sure this
if
profile.
you can see that lens and FOV here. But we have presets,
Properly
stock
inside a
lenses.
room.
50 mm, it looks very stretch. In interior scenes, use 24 to 35 mm lens.
right click and hide
So
all,
after that,
and press C.
go to selection filters and select all. So in interior scene, first we are going to create a skirting. So
You can
click
see that
here,
we
right
have a
click
nice skirting
and
inside
hit
our room.
isolate selection, Alt W, and remove the
But
for removing safe frames.
It looks small.
Just click on the camera and
So here is
disable
your
this
solution.
show safe frames, or you can use a hotkey
Select the
Shift
profile.
F. So press P, press Z.
Select this vertex.
Now
Select
we are
this
going to
profile
make
again
a skirting.
and press R.
So go to
And
shape,
scale this profile in X, Y,
select
X
line.
and
enable snap toggle mode on. But now you can see we are just selecting our grids. We are not going, but we want to select our vertex. So snap toggle, right click on this option,
You can make
disable
this
the
profile
grid
big.
snap and enable vertex snapping. Just close this,
just select this vertex.
and you can see when
And
I
move this
hover my
vertex.
mouse on this vertex, it's showing us a yellow point. So click here.
You can
After
see
that,
that
I'm selecting
You
second
can
corner.
easily change
This is my third corner,
for more good look,
and just
in detail look.
right click for
Click here
cancelling
and right click, press isolate.
my option.
I will select
And
this
after
profile
that,
and try to get
just
close to
move
our
this in a
skirting so we
negative
can
Z
see
axis.
how our
If I want just a
skirting
basic,
select
skirting,
this vertex.
just go to modify tab, go to renderings, enable
can
in
see
render
that.
and enable in viewport,
We can easily
and set this to
control
rectangular. I'm going to set
can
a length
select this
150 mm
You can increase
and
the
set
length of
this to a
profile.
25 mm.
Right click
But
and object.
press F for front
Press
and
F.
move this in a Z axis.
Press Z for zoom.
Press P
Select
for
this
perspective, Z for zoom.
Profiles.
And you can see
and
that
move
we have just a simple skirting.
Press C for camera so we can see
Now go to shapes, select line
nice
again
skirtings.
and select
In my
snapping
I use a
mode
dolly
on.
camera for zooming.
You can see that
So we can see
just
a nice
rotating
skirting.
and snapping my vertex, snapping to vertex.
in my interior
And after
scene.
completing, I'm just creating.
Thanks for watching.
right click
Please
button.
like and subscribe my video.
Go to front again, F and Z for zoom, and